Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Freedom Fighters on PC. First, you'll need to acquire the game, which is readily available on digital platforms like Steam or the Epic Games Store. Before installation, check your system specifications. A minimum of 4 GB of RAM and 800 MB of storage space are recommended for smooth gameplay. Once you have the game, simply run the installer and follow the prompts to get it set up on your computer. Next, let's dive into the core gameplay. Freedom Fighters uses a standard keyboard and mouse setup for movement and aiming, offering precise control. A key feature is the ability to command a squad of up to 12 rebels. Use specific keys to order them to follow, attack, or defend positions. Remember to use cover effectively to minimize damage and gain a tactical advantage in intense urban combat scenarios. To truly excel, consider advanced strategies. Always keep an eye on your health and ammunition, scavenging supplies from fallen enemies or liberated areas. The environment is your ally. Use rooftops for sniping, sewers for stealthy approaches, and explosive barrels for impactful diversions. Recruiting additional rebels by rescuing civilians is crucial, as a larger squad provides significant firepower and tactical flexibility. Finally, let's cover troubleshooting and enhancements. If you encounter any technical issues, ensure your graphics drivers are up to date, as this often resolves visual glitches. Experiment with in-game settings to find the best balance between performance and visual quality for your specific PC. The game's community also offers many guides and solutions for common problems, helping you enjoy this classic title to its fullest.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.